Hello everyone and welcome to the Textbook Super Coaching platform. So guys, in this particular session, I will be providing the complete answer key for the KSET 2024 Political Science examination. For last 2 days, you guys were continuously asking, sir, please provide the answer key for this KSET examination that was recently conducted in the last week. So पिछले ही हफ्ते KSET का examination हुआ और उसका आंसर की डिमांड आप लोगों की तरफ से रेगुलरली आ रही थी. तो finally, again, the questions were wonderful. Okay, the overall paper was quite wonderfully curated, and there were some silly, small, what we can say, easy kind of questions were also there. Some moderate level as well as some tough level with some amount of actual information. So it was quite a balanced paper. I would say ki around 10% questions were of tough level, and around what we can say 30% questions are up to the moderate, or let's say 30 to 40% moderate level, and rest of the paper was almost, it is quite factual and very direct questions were also there. Okay, so we will be solving the whole paper. So इस पूरे पेपर को हम सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे, फटाफट देखते जाएंगे. I will be telling the answer key for each and every question. Okay, now before starting this session, I would request you all to please like this session as well as share the session with your friends also. Okay, those who have attempted the KSET paper as well as those who are going for the UGC-NET examination. Okay, तो ये सेशन सिर्फ KSET के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं है, उसके अलावा UGC-NET के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी काम का है, बिकॉज आप सभी को भी देखने को मिलेगा केसेट में कितने अच्छे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. इट विल हेल्प यू टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, तो इस क्वेश्चन पेपर के थ्रू भी बहुत सारे नए कॉन्सेप्ट की नई इंफॉर्मेशन आप सभी को मिल सकती है. तो ये मत सोचिएगा केसेट का तो हमको मतलब नहीं है. यूजीसी-नेट के स्टूडेंट्स या फिर अदर सेट एग्जामिनेशन के स्टूडेंट्स भी इस क्वेश्चन पेपर को देखिए एंड यू विल ऑल्सो लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग. ओके, आप बहुत कुछ आपको सीखने को मिलेगा. यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. फ्री क्लास की टाइमिंग याद रखिए कि कब का फ्री क्लासेस होती है आपकी यूट्यूब पे और टेक्स्टबुक ऐप पर, एज वेल एज डू ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप फॉर continuous update regarding your exam preparation for the UGC-NET as well as SET examination. Okay, fine. Now let's start with the this answer key discussion. So I have already tick marked the correct answer according to me for each and every question. First, for example, very simple question. Okay, the paper start with a very simple question. Preamble of the Indian Constitution was based on objective resolution. Very simple thing. Then find out the wrongly matched pair. So prohibition of the intoxicated drink, it is not basically part of the article number 48. It is related to article number 47. Okay, yes. So 47, 49, it is basically mentioned. So this is incorrect. Then when did the Constitutional Assembly meet? Again, very simple question. 9th of December. Then they have given a question to match these author with the book. Okay, Norman Palmer, Austin. Okay, then Ramchandra Guha. So again, Ramchandra Guha, India after Gandhi, Grenville Austin, Indian Constitution, cornerstone of the Constitution. So a very simple question. Question number answer would be B. Okay, then question number 5. Identify the situation where the pardoning power of the president is not applicable. So in the civil offense, okay, pardoning power is for the criminal offense. Okay, it means if you have done a crime and if you have basically been punished for the crime, okay, in the civil offense there is not kind of pardoning situation. Okay, so in the criminal cases pardoning power is used, so that's why this statement would be incorrect. Now arrange the following event in a chronological order. Okay, very simple question. First of all, obviously, it will start with the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, then Ashok Mehta Committee, then comes the 74th Constitutional Amendment, and then at the end comes the second Administrative Reform Commission Committee. Okay, तो इस तरीके से सीक्वेंस चलेगा. ये बलवंत राय से स्टार्ट करेंगे. करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी ए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. This is a wonderful question. Doctrine of harmonious construction. Okay, this is a new information कि harmonious construction concept किस में आया है. So हनीफ कुरैशी केस में. Okay, in some websites you can also find ADM Jabalpur versus, but before that, in the Hanif Qureshi case, the doctrine of harmonious construction was presented by the Supreme Court. Okay, this is a wonderful concept. Now, which article of the Indian Constitution deal with the cabinet responsibility? Very simple question. Article number 75. Very direct question. सीधा सीधा है. Electoral voting machine first introduced in India, Kerala. Very simple. Then next question. The core of decision in the Keshwanand Bharati case retreated by the Supreme Court again, and court rejected the irreversibility doctrine of the basic structure. बिल्कुल both the statements are correct and explanation also. So answer would be A. Okay, इसका correct answer जो है A है. Question number 10. Then there is a passage based question. Okay, a caste, the views of Nicholas Dirk regarding the caste. Okay, so it is a wonderful passage, and the answer would be like, first of all, the first question would be colonial rule. Like let's say product of colonial, ठीक है, and then according to the author, what is the correct status of caste in India? So the answer would be 1, 2 and 4. It means कि the third, democracy has eroded. This should be incorrect. Okay, ये वाला गलत हो जाएगा. Then comes the next question. How did the caste system gain further legitimacy in India? So by caste based reservation, which was introduced by the colonial administration. Okay, then after the colonial let's say administration, let's say divide rule policy, this reservation has further gave the legitimacy. Okay, next. How does the caste support electoral politics in India? By providing structural organization. Okay, it has divided. Say structural groups are created because of the caste politics as well as electoral politics. Okay, then how does the peripheral majority of India becomes marginalized? So again, it is already been given in the passage. So the correct answer would be B here. 1, 3, and 4 by politicization. No, this should be eliminated there. Okay, now moving to the question number 16. The Baroda dynamite case is related to the emergency period. Okay, this is a very important question. New information. Then instead of being xenophobic, Hindu. Okay, so now Mandir slogan has paid massive electoral. So again, both the statements are right, but again not correct explanation. So the answer should be D here. Okay, for the question number 17. Then the author books question is there. Robert Jenkins, Sudipta Kaviraj, Paul Brass, Jadib Alam. Okay, Javeed Alam. My mistake. So the correct match will be like democratic and politics electro. This. So the answer would be B. Sudipta Kaviraj, modernity and politics. Paul Brass, very simple. Politics of India since independence, and Jadib Alam, who wants democracy. Okay, Javeed Alam books is who wants democracy. So the correct answer would be B. Now, factual question, very. Now, Saptarishi envisaged in the Indian budget 2023. This is a very wonderful and very current affair based question. Current affair based question aaya. So the concept of basically what we can say, especially this assuring health is not part of this thing. Okay, so green growth, inclusive development, youth power. Okay, these concepts are there within the Saptarishi, but this assuring health was not part of that thing. Okay. Now, which year did the major split of CPI? Very simple question. 1964. We have already studied this in the classes also. Class में भी हमने पढ़ा है. Classical theory of organization is also known as mechanicist theory. Okay. For example, scientific theory, वैज्ञानिक परिप्रेक्ष्य जो है या फिर mechanical perspective, so classical theories बोलते हैं उनको. Then agrarian structure. Now, this is a tricky question. Agrarian industrial model is based on what? Okay, so you can say ecological model because it was given by Ricks. Okay, comparative public admission, no, but the correct answer would be structural functional approach. Okay, because in this agrarian industrial model, to identify this thing, Ricks used the structural functional approach. Okay, so यहाँ पे संरचनात्मक कार्यात्मक परिप्रेक्ष्य यूज किया है. इकोलॉजिकल थ्योरी भी बहुत लोगों ने आंसर लगाया होगा या फिर पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, तो कंफ्यूजिंग है, बट आंसर इसका करेक्ट जो है बी होना चाहिए. नाउ amalgamation and integration, very simple. Globalization, countries recognition. Minvoque conference took place at basically Syracuse University. That's very simple factual question. Then question number 25. Public admission related to the operation of government where center or local. Percy McQueen. Okay, this is the correct answer, D. Then public choice theory, competition, efficiency, market. Which of the following notion is problem? So problem with the public choice theory. So I would say efficiency would be the major problem here. Okay, efficiency, because in the public choice theory, efficiency can't be ensured. Okay, so B should be the answer, but again, still I'm not sure about this thing. Still, most of the chances, the answer should be B, efficiency. Okay, now comparative administrative group was the so all the statements are correct. Okay, constituted USA, formed in 1963, funded by Ford as well as Ricks. So all these things are correct. C will be the answer here. Okay, next again you have to match the books with the author. So Frank Goodnow, very simple. Frank Goodnow, politics and administration. Paul Eplevy, big democracy. They all are already rightly matched. Okay, so already rightly matched. Question number 28. Then moving to the next question. Question number 29. Again, they have given the matching. Very simple. Behavioral approach, motivational theory system. Okay, so fine. Behavioral से start कीजिए. So first of all, Chester Bernard, motivation theory, Abraham Maslow. Again, they are already matched. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are already matched. Okay. So correct match. Okay. 9. Question number 30. Individuals are motivated to achieve certain needs. Human needs are arranged in a hierarchy. Okay, so both the informations are right according to the Abraham basically hierarchy theory. Okay, Maslow's theory of need of, let's say, hierarchy of needs theory, but not explanation. Okay, so we should go with the option of B. B should be the appropriate option. Which conference resolved the frame citizen charters in India? Again, we have studied about this thing in the classes also. So conference of the Chief Minister 1997. Okay, fine. Then question number 32. First use the word social audit. Very simple question. Charles Medworth. Then not a poverty alleviation initiative. Very interesting question. Okay, which among the following is not a poverty alleviation initiative? SAP. SAP means structural adjustment program which is related to liberalization, privatization, globalization. Okay, 1993 India adopted SAP from the that we have got from the World Bank and IMF, structural adjustment program. So this is not related to poverty elevation. This is about the efficiency and reducing the power of the government, or let's say role. Okay, now Walt and Gibson, this is a very new information regarding the public policy. So the correct answer, technology will not be there. Okay, so there are three, a triangular idea was given by them. So content is there, actors are there. Okay, fine. So let's say context, content, process, three, four concepts are there basically. And technology is not part of that particular thing. Okay, technology nahi aayega, so A will be the correct answer. Then Food Security Act 2013, take home ration to elderly. This is not there. Okay, take home ration to the pregnant women. These kind of features are there, but again, take home ration to the elderly. This is not a part exactly of the feature of the scheme. So I should say the answer should be A. According to me, it might be different because again, these are very, like, let's say what we can say, abrupt statements are written there. Okay. Now, it based on the interpretation also. Then Section 8 of CBC Act, functions and power, simple question. Article 243, very simple, for power and function of municipalities. Then, okay, now concepts are there and as well as their propounder. Okay, so letter of the civilization participation, basically the Sherry, Einstein. Then ocean circle theory, Gandhi. Approach of decentralization would be James Felser, as well as critical discourse theory, Michael Foucault. The correct answer would be A here for this question. Then question number 39, book and authors are there. Again, you have to match them. The calculus of consent, the constitution of liberty, the governance in 21st century. Very simple question. Okay, and the some reports. Okay, so this is a report related to OECD. Okay, then constitutional liberty is related to Hayek. Okay, fine. So easily you can get the correct answer. D1 match कीजिए. The correct answer would be A here. Next, e-governance is the application of ICT in all sphere of governments. Yes, and it aims to create smart governance. Yes, both the statements are correct, but not an explanation. Okay, so it is saying e-governance is the application of ICT. Yes, why? No, it is not a reason. It is just a information. Okay, this yes information statement. So B should be the appropriate answer here because there is no explanation here. Which of the following thinkers support negative liberty over positive liberty? Obviously, John Locke as well as J.S. Mill, but John Locke will be more appropriate here. Okay, John Locke सबसे appropriate होगा. Then which of the following statement about ecologism is correct? Then this statement, deep ecology opposes biocentric equality. No, it supports it. We have studied this in the classes also. When we were discussing about the shallow and deep ecology, so I have clearly said that deep ecology are against the anthropocentric worldview, but they support ecocentrism as well as biocentrism. Okay, you can go and check out your notes also. So that's why the third option is wrong. First, second, and fourth is correct. The answer should be C. Which of the following political tradition is called philosophy of human imperfection? Conservatism. Again, we have studied about this thing in the classes also in the topic of conservatism. Okay, O'Sullivan's idea, philosophy of human interpretation, imperfection. Sorry. Okay, then liberal democracy. The answer should be all the statements are correct regarding liberal democracy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tolerant philosopher. Okay, here again I'm not very sure, but still the most of the probability of the answer should be J.S. Mill. Okay, but again not 100% sure. But according to me, the answer should be J.S. Mill. Okay, now next one in the line is very simple. This is the second principle, or let's say the statement. This statement is representing the laws. Sorry, basically the principle of justice. Okay, principle of justice given by like this theory in the theory of justice. Principle of justice given by John Rawls. So this is the second principle, part of the 2B. Okay, 2A, 2B. Okay, so that this is the 2B principle. Office and position is let's say open to under the condition of their equality of opportunity. Okay, so John Rawls, very simple question. Then now this is little bit confusing, not belong to the conservative political thought. Okay, but here again Jeremy Bentham is also not very directly related to conservatism. Okay, Edmund Burke is a conservative thinker. Michael Oxide is a conservative thinker, but B and C, both of them are not very directly considered a conservative thinker. But yes, Stockwell is very clearly he's a supporter of liberal perspective. So he is part of the concept of liberty and liberalism. So we would go with the C. Jeremy Bentham can be contradicted in this particular part. Okay, now, so still I would say the question is not very appropriate. The options are not very fine, but still we can go with the option number C here. Now, first wave feminism. Okay, now this statement is incorrect. Gender, like social class, race, or religion, is not significant social cleavage. No, according to feminist thought, gender is also equally an important social cleavage as class, race or religion. Okay, so जैसे कि जेंडर बेसिकली सोशल क्लास रिलीजन ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट है, वैसे ही जेंडर भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो 1 2 and this statement should be eliminated. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट हट जाएगा, तो बाकी the answer should be C here. Okay, now the political thinker who argued for the proportional representation in wage suffrage, again we have studied about this thing in the class, J.S. Mill. Okay, J.S. Mill gave the concept of proportional representation as well as wage suffrage in his consideration on the representative government book. Okay, now very simple, book's name as well as their authors ideas. Okay, very simple. Amartya Sen, Inequality Re-examined, Will Kimlicka, Liberalism, Community and Culture, John Rawls, Political Liberalism, Michael Foucault, Power and Knowledge. The correct answer would be A. Question number 51, the contemporary Prussian state highest possible achievement of the mind as expressed by the social life. So that would be, according to Hegel, it is contemporary Prussian state. Okay, and that is basically Germany, obviously. Okay, fine. Then according to Hegel, the Germany has achieved the highest level of mental development. Okay, so Rousseau, John Locke, Hegel, very simple. Rousseau, General Will, John Locke, Consent of the Governed, Hegel, March of God on the Earth, and Rawls, Veil of Ignorance. So answer would be B. Hegemony context, hegemony in civil society, Gramsci, obviously, very simple question. Marx is a revolutionary? Yes. Marx was not concerned about the process of history. No, he is concerned about the process of history, obviously. Okay, he presented the concept of historical materialism. So this statement should be false according to me. So the answer should be C here. Okay. Question number 55. Sorry, the answer should be Confucius. This statement belongs to the Confucius. In a country well governed, poverty is something to be ashamed of. Okay, this statement belongs to Confucius exactly. Sure answer. Machiavelli advised the prince to pursue perfect strictness. Okay, neither moderate behavior, neither extreme generosity, neither kindness. Perfect strictness. Okay, a king should be like people should fear from the king. Okay, well-ordered society. The answer should be equal here. Again, this is quite a confusing question. Okay, which among the following is not part of the let's say well-ordered society? So stable, just, efficient, but equal is something where, because John Rawls is very clear कि equality is inevitable. Okay, so yeah, for let's say inequality is inevitable. Okay, so you can't create equality, but yes, that inequalities need to be arranged in such a manner. His concept is that ki social and economical inequalities need to be arranged in such a manner that it is in the interest of the worst of section. Okay, so that's why according to me, the answer should be D. There are chances that they can give another answer, but according to me, D should be the correct answer. Okay, now cultural revolution under socialism, Mao Zedong, very simple. So there are some conceptual questions which can be debated, and again it depends upon the let's say the decision of the examiner also. Then question number 59, very simple. Laws are the rules for just and unjust, nothing being. It is a repeated question from the UGC NET examination also, past UGC NET examination, direct question, Hobbes. Then very simple question regarding French friend, black skin, white mask, the edge of the earth, direct question. Gandhi Hind Swaraj, 1909. Uh, Again, this is a repeated question from the UGC NET examination. Okay, they lick the dust of the feet that kicks. Aurobindo Ghosh. Then moving forward, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, internal feminism, very simple. Once God is let in, there is an end of the sovereignty. This is a statement by M.N. Roy. Again, repeated question. Okay, so there are 4 or 5 questions that they have directly taken from the previous year question of the UGC NET examination. Okay, actually, okay, fine. So it is these are copied question, not new question. Aristotle justly called the father. Okay, again I would say that the answer should be A here, according to me. But again, there are chances because assertion region based question based on the interpretation of the examiner. Okay, so still I would go with the A option here. Okay, now then first time in 1903, Iqbal, obviously we have studied about this thing also. Okay, so Iqbal pronounced the idea of a Muslim state separately. So Iqbal was the correct thing. Again, we have discussed this thing in the concept of Muhammad Iqbal. Okay, in the Muslim League session of 1930. League of Radical Congressmen, again M.N. Roy. When we have discussed about the topic of M.N. Roy, हमने ये topic पढ़ा था. Now Justice Party, yes, Periyar joined the Justice Party. Then Siddharth was Siddharth, it means ki Buddha. Okay, Siddharth here means Buddha. So Buddha is from the warrior caste. He is basically a Kshatriya by birth. Okay. Then Kabir was influenced by Ramananda. Okay, again we have discussed this thing in the classes also. Okay, in your notes, Ramananda is, again it is clearly mentioned that Kabir was inspired by the Ramananda. Now, question number 71, very simple. Idea of constitutional limited government, John Locke, without any doubt. Now, imagined community, Barrington Anderson. Then Bannon, basically, let's say Bannon nationalism, Michael Bigley, as well as morality as well as nationalism. Catherine Frost, and nationalism, its meaning and the minority, Hans Cohen. History, its meaning and history. The correct answer should be A here. Question number 73. The precondition of the takeoff. This is an interesting question. In which condition Rostowitz said they consider the beginning of the rational scientific idea? Okay, so because in the traditional society, the traditional societies are based on the traditional cultural values, but in the precondition to take off, they get the Western values. Okay, in the precondition to take off, they get the Western values, and those Western values are representative of rational scientific idea. Fine, so that's why answer should be B here. Now, political culture of Britain, according to Alman Verba, in their political, they have considered Britain as a participative civic culture. Okay. Then power generally lies outside the boundaries of the electoral representative. This is the idea of C. Wright Mills in his concept of power elite theory. Okay, so he presented the concept of power elite, and this is the idea actually. Question number 76. Human development theory, very simple question. Then yes, key characteristic of marble cake federalism. Okay, this is a new information, very interesting information. So basically, cooperative federalism. Okay, cooperative federalism is known as marble cake federalism. Okay, in very simple word. So coordination and independent center. This should be the appropriate answer here. So this marble cake federalism basically means a cooperative kind of federalism. Now, who commented that capitalism and communism are characterized by the necessity and freedom? I'm not sure about this answer, but most of the chances the answer should be Rolf Miliband. But I'm not going to, like, let's say, pick a particular thing, because like still there are chances between A and B. So like no surety on this particular thing. Okay. Then question number 79. There is no stable party system in India. Yes, obviously India is okay. So the correct answer should be A. No confusion. Then third house. Okay. Pressure group is the third house. Finner. S.A. Finner. He basically says that parliament is the third, basically pressure groups are the third house of the parliament. Okay. First house, it means ki upper house, lower house. Okay. Like Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and then pressure group, that is the third house according to Finner. Okay, fine. Finner belonged to the which kind of theory? Institutional approach. Okay, he belonged to the institutional approach of comparative politics. Okay, तुलनात्मक राजनीति में संस्थागत दृष्टिकोण उपयोग किया गया है. Then theory of offensive realism, John Mayer Schimmer. Very simple question. Chagos archipelago, basically it is part of the Indian Ocean and right now controlled by the British. It is a part of the British territory. Okay, Britain basically controls that particular area, and it is part of Central Indian Ocean. Okay, now in the contemporary national international system, non-state actors. Very simple question. Both the statements are correct, but again not related. Okay, fine. So answer should be A here. Then, this is an interesting thing. World dominated not by one or two or even several states, but rather by dozens of actors. And this concept is known as non-polarity. Okay, when there is no basically, let's say, not just the dominance of few states, but other actors also. So that particular thing is known as non-polarity. This is also an interesting concept. Then BRICS regarding this, okay, so not 7th, actually it is 6th BRICS summit. Okay, in the 6th BRICS summit, the agreement was signed. Okay, and then it came into force in the 7th summit. Okay, so in the 7th summit it came into force, but it is written ki agreement for the establishment. Okay, signing was done in the 6th summit, so that's why this will be incorrect. Okay, they are asking about the incorrect one. Rest of all of them are correct. Okay, they are asking about incorrect, so this is incorrect. Rest of all of them are correct. Okay, now Five Eyes Alliance, that is Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK and US. These are the group of Five Eyes Alliance. Then consider the following statement and select the most appropriate case for the need for UN reform. Security Council, composition of Security Council, because they are the democratic body. Achha, now this is also an interesting question. More authoritative source of international law, it should be treaties. Okay, correct answer should be treaties here. Then in the modern world system, Wallerstein idea, that is semi-periphery. We already studied about this thing. Ki Wallerstein introduced the concept of semi-periphery. Now, moving forward, the most balanced form of balance of power according to Kalpan is bipolarity. Okay, according to modern Kalpan, the balance form of bipolarity is balance of power is bipolarity. The 18th session of G20, obviously in New Delhi, India. Very simple and direct current affair based question. Then Indus Water Treaty, India Pakistan. Very simple question. Sabko pata hai. Then Indian foreign policy towards Russia in the wake of Ukraine. Again, both the statements are correct, and SPO provide for protecting India's vital national interests. So yes, both the statements are correct, but not providing an explanation here. Okay. Then US-India cyber relationship signed in 2016. Correct answer will be 2016. Then name summit which called for the establishment of world free from the nuclear weapon. Cartagena summit. Krishna doctrine is a diplomatic mission for India which is related to diaspora. Okay, so in the SM Krishna, okay, SM Krishna, he presented this thing ki the Indian diplomat should be more human, behave with humanity with the Indian diaspora, the Indian national living outside. Okay, that was SM Krishna's initiative, and that's why it is known as Krishna's doctrine. Diaspora regarding, okay, in which year was India ASEAN? 2014. So this India ASEAN, so ASEAN India uh, goods free trade agreement was signed in 2010. Okay, but this trade in the services agreement was signed in 2014. Now, Indian based SM Krishna, again, this question was also there recently in the other examination also. Not this Jaishankar, S. Jaishankar. Okay, the India, this book was written by S. Jaishankar, our basically foreign minister, external affairs minister. Which article of Indian Constitution? Very simple question. Article number 51, peace and international peace and security. Article number 51, and then informal summit between India and China. Again, we have studied about this thing in 2018. India China 2018 Wuhan summit, Wuhan consensus. Okay, so this is your question paper. So we have solved all the 100 question. And before you guys leave the session, I just want to tell you that I hope ki most of the answer that we have discussed would be correct. Okay, and there might be chances of 3-4 difference answer in the result also. That can be possible. So don't see ki, like whatever I have answered is like 100% correct. Yes, there are chances. Maximum answer would be like similarly, but there might be some changes in the answer key. So be prepared for that sort of thing. And UGC like Textbook Super Coaching is providing an offer for you all for the time being for let's say joining the courses. Okay, for your UGC NET as well as SET examination preparation. Okay, so if you want to prepare for the NET as well as SET examination with Textbook Super Coaching platform, so you can quickly join the courses. You can call on this number. Okay, so selection ki Udaan sale is going on, where you will be getting the foundation courses for the political science paper number 1, NET SET GRF. Okay, fine. So NET SET GRF foundation course is already going on the Textbook Super Coaching platform. So become the part of this and start cracking your lovely NET and SET examination with the Textbook Super Coaching team. Okay, fine. Sure. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this session, and please do share this session with your friends also. Okay, and these are your class timings. And for any kind of queries, you can connect with me on the Telegram page also. Okay, thank you so much, guys.